Okay. When you've got this IPR SHR machine, firstly you should move out the water accessories and the machine. You will find one big sport hair remover handlepiece, one smaller sport skin rejuvenation handlepiece, and one accessory bag. Firstly, you need to check all the accessories. In accessory bag, you will find one water funnel, one laser Google, one custom wheel protector Google, some screws. It's used to form the handle piece. The machine key, some fiber rings, one small storage. Our video and user manual were inside. You can connect with your computer to check out all the information. Follow this tour. Okay, when you check out all the accessories, firstly try to connect the handle piece on the back side. This is the big sport HR hair remover handle piece, so you need to face the HR connection. During your connection, firstly you have to press down these two springs. Then push them to the middle to make sure later connection will be easier. Then face the rear at the correct place. The connection pressure should move like this. When you hear the sound, that means the connection well, or you may have to connect again. Once again, connect to firstly press down the two spring, push them to the middle, then move like this. From upper to down, then it will be easier. The small sport size skin rejuvenation handlepiece, the same. Press the spring down, then push them to the middle. Okay, face the correct place. Then move up and down. When I hear the sound, you connect well. When you connect the handle piece well, you can find some screws under the accessory bag. If you not remove the handle piece, very frequently we suggest you form the handle piece well in case of any drag broken in the future. There are two screws for one handle piece form. You will use this tool to form well. Same for another one. Okay. When you fold the handle piece well later, you should prepare at least 8 liter distilled water or pure water. And try to add water inside Firstly, you need to open the water inlet. This place. Then secondly, you need to open the vents here. And please keep the water outflow closed. Now we can add water from water inlet with the water funnel. This tool. Connect the silicone pipe with the water inlet, then you add water from the outside. Until you see the water go out from the vents, that means your water filled. So now we wait. Okay, now you see the water go out from the vents. Yeah, and then you can form the vents. And form the water inlet. We suggest you every 3 months to renew the distilled water. And after being fulfilled, finally, you need to check this protection plate. Make sure this blue button turns to the on. Okay, finally you can connect your plant with power. Find the machine's key at the accessory bag, insert. And turn this emergency button to the right. Make it spring up like this. Okay, spring up. Again. Turn to the right, spring up. Second, the key, turn to on. Open the machine. Later you can check your user manual and the user instruction videos to use your machine. Thanks.